Hey, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we're going to talk about something that can completely transform your life, the power of positive thinking. Do you ever feel like your negative thoughts are holding you back? Like you're stuck in a rut and can't seem to make any progress? Well, you're not alone. But the good news is, there's a way out, by adopting a positive mindset and changing the way you think about yourself and the world around you. In this video, we're going to explore the science behind positive thinking, and how it can help you achieve your goals, overcome obstacles, and live a happier, more fulfilling life. So sit back, relax, and let's dive in. First, let's define what we mean by positive thinking. Essentially, it's the practice of focusing on the good in any situation, rather than dwelling on the negative. It's about approaching challenges with optimism and a can-do attitude, rather than defeatism and despair. Now, you might be thinking, sure, that all sounds nice, but is there any actual evidence that positive thinking can make a difference? Well, the answer is yes. In fact, there's a wealth of scientific research that supports the power of positive thinking. For example, studies have shown that people who regularly practice gratitude, that is, taking time to acknowledge and appreciate the good things in their life, experience a range of benefits, from increased happiness and life satisfaction, to better physical health and stronger relationships. Similarly, researchers have found that positive thinking can actually lead to better performance in a variety of areas, including sports, academics, and even the workplace. When we believe in ourselves and our abilities, we're more likely to take risks, persist through challenges, and ultimately succeed. But perhaps most importantly, positive thinking can help us cope with adversity and overcome obstacles. When we face setbacks or failures, it can be all too easy to give up and lose hope. But by maintaining a positive mindset, we can find the silver lining in even the toughest situations, and use our setbacks as opportunities to learn, grow, and ultimately come out stronger on the other side. So there you have it, the power of positive thinking. Whether you're looking to achieve your goals, overcome obstacles, or simply live a happier, more fulfilling life, cultivating a positive mindset can make all the difference. If you found this video helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more content like this. And as always, I'd love to hear your thoughts in the comments. Have you ever experienced the benefits of positive thinking in your own life? Let me know.